Later. Okay. Can I see your phone? Oh. Thanks for supporting the channel, Michelle. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out the truck. It's helping me out a lot, so he still has priorities on what he has to do first before he gets to mine, so I understand. I'm cool with that idea. I just really want my truck back.
It's time to get little blue back on the road.
Get little blue back in the road. You know how it feels not having your ride? I still have some.
Yeah, no.
You bought me a coffee maker and you're asking why I buy another coffee? Because I drink coffee 24/7, no matter when I'm at home and when I'm on the street.
That's the coolest Little Caesars I've ever seen.
Right? That's the only independent Little Caesars I ever seen. They're usually like just, you know.
Hey guys, if you're ever driving Omar around.
You just passed it.
Just letting you know, you have to ask where you turn, like every light or every intersection, because he won't tell you.
I thought people like spontaneous people.
My fist to your face.
Shut your mouth. Is the motor in there? No, motor's not in there. I can already tell. Let's go see what's going on. What's up, man? What's going on? What's up with the truck? I thought you were gonna get start with it today.
Man, I got backed up, bro.
That's cool. I just wanted to check up and see what's going on.
I got really backed up, but no, we'll get to it.
All right.
We'll have to get to it today.
Well, I'm just like, I'm not really rushing you. I mean, I do want my truck back, but I understand the reasons why.
You'll have your truck by Saturday for sure.
Yeah. All right, man. Well, that's all I really need.
But sure by Saturday.
Now I just went to go check out the merch. Yeah. Go see all that. Yeah, I just came by and see it.
Wait, quick question. That black Jeep with the Moto Metal wheels, what size are those wheels?
Black Jeep with the Moto Metals.
Y'all have a black Jeep.
Oh! I was like, what?
I was just curious what size those wheels were.
Did you say? What? 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 What?
They're 20 by 10s.
They're 20 by 10s. Alright guys, guess what? I know you guys been asking. Okay guys, I know you guys have been asking for this. I know everybody wants me to fix up the truck, put the V8 in there, and I'm legit trying my best to get it done, but it's not as cheap. It's very expensive, basically, for the LTs, because I can't even put an LS in my truck because the way the system is on the new trucks, it's kind of hard to put an LS in there. So I do have to get an LT, and I'm really trying to get the 6.2 because, you know, why not, you know? We're gonna be doing that, but it is taking time. The parts are really expensive, and I'm trying to do the best I can to get it done. So I have to do something that I don't want to do, but I feel comfortable that I already accomplished it. I'm doing a giveaway on my turbo. I don't want to do it. Turbo is in good, perfect condition. It still works the same. Everything is working perfect. I am just very bummed out that it came to this point, but you guys do want the 6.2. So the best way I can see it is giving away the turbo, using that, and use it for the 6.2 build. You guys are going to get NA videos of just the full motor on what it can do on the street and stuff like that. And then later, I'll add a turbo. I'm gonna buy the same setup, maybe the same setup, or maybe top mount. I think it's more easier to put a rear mount turbo. I already proved it. I did 450 to the wheels with a stock V6 with stock internals, E85, and the tune and the turbo, and it was pushing about 10 pounds. The reason why it blew the first time was because Caesar tuned it to a specific RPM, so I won't overdo it because it already hit its limit. I pushed it to the limit, and you know, I abused my powers. And you know, with great power comes great responsibility, and I could not handle that. So when I said I really wanted to boost my truck to see what it can do, and I already showed you guys, I'm gonna bring it back, the V6 turbo, but like later on. It comes with everything. It has a 76mm turbo. I'm gonna replace the intake. It has a precision wastegate. It comes with it. If you guys want some more information on the turbo setup, you should just go all the way to my channel, go all the way down. Blue's first turbo kit, I think that's what it's called, first turbo kit setup or something like that. So if you guys want some more information, go to that video. It'll show you more in depth on every part that comes with the kit. I already had fun. I showed you guys the content, and I gotta move on. So I know you guys want that V8 in the truck. In the meantime, we're gonna put another V6 in there, let it like get my daily bag, have no problems with it. I really wanted to put it on the new V6, but I just don't want to risk it anymore. I don't want to waste any time building the 6.2. I think you should get the same wheels but with beefier tires.
No, because then I have to start changing my gear ratio, and I need a bigger lift. I just want 35s, so I don't really need that crazy of a lift. Those are the ones I had originally picked. I don't know. Now seeing those in person now, because I've seen a Jeep with these already. So now seeing a Jeep with those, I'm starting to think again.
What the hell?
Mattress Firm has a drive-thru.
They have a drive-thru? Oh wait, no, Starbucks.
Like, yeah, can I get a queen size pillow top? Imagine you can order your shit like that.
Can I have a pillow on?
And can I get 2 pillows with that?
Guys, so like Michelle's a music engineer, and this is one of her tracks that she just made, so check this out.
I'm an engineer, but this isn't what this is. Producer?
Well, you make beats.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever it is, I like it. Long line. Hopefully they're open. It's McDonald's one. They usually are. Can I get a French vanilla iced coffee?
I'm sorry, what?
Thank you. Yes. I am a coffee drinker and I know what I like. They didn't add too much French vanilla in it, so yeah, I got energy now. I'm gonna go to an old friend of mine. If you've been on the channel or like you've seen the very first videos on my channel, I was always working with John.
I need to mount the air compressor.
The main guy that works on SEMA build, like literally type of trucks that you drop frame, basically like their bodied frame, basically does like nothing but custom trucks drops. Like right now we're gonna go see his new shop. I went to his shop yesterday just to check it out and I seen a lot of badass trucks. Alright, well, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go to Conroe and then I'll come right back.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, man. Well, guys, I'm here, but he's not here. He went to go get a fuel cell somewhere, so that's what's going on right now. So, but for the meantime, look what he has. Has a frame right there, Jeep right there, and a Chevy right there. So I'm gonna head all the way to Conroe to check out my truck, my baby. I miss her so much. For all the people that said don't mess with your daily, I'm starting to struggle. Shop now. Peep. Damn it! I was gonna scare you.
Sí, güey. Oh, can you please?
Man, I am going to miss you so much. We're still gonna be giving it away.
¿Qué, güey?
We're still gonna be giving it away.
Okay.
Damn, bro. Guys, check out this motor. This thing is so damn dirty. Everything around it, man. Huh? Best believe I'm not putting no damn turbo on this thing. Oh yeah, Alex. So
Not that.
I've been going to the gym. Pre-workouts. I'm gonna start working out again. Okay, so
Wait, that's too much.
I worked out, but I never took pre-workout.
We put it in the water and we shook it up. That's why. So you're about to put some water in your mouth. Not fill it up because you have to put this.
I saw your face expression when you did yours, so I'm kind of a little icky right now.
You'll be alright. Water
Oh,
first.
yeah.
Water first. You'll make yourself choke on
Just
the
a
top.
little bit.
Enough. Like half your mouth. Pour it in there. Don't you dare put it to your lip. Oh, I'm gonna put it all in his mouth. Shake your head.
What are you doing? Oh. You listen to this girl? She's gonna kill you.
What?
Why'd you put it all in your mouth?
Oh man. I'll start off slow because it's been a long time since I started working. That's what would happen if I did leg day. I've been working out because we're still gonna do that thing, right?
Yeah.
That we're gonna box, and if I win, you're gonna sponsor me with the rotors and calipers. The calipers and
Put me in, coach. Just give him the money already, bro.
I used to be buff. I just, you know, I just let myself go.
Boxing and buff is different.
No, I mean like I used to.
Box. That's cool. A deal.
Deal.
Put me in, coach. Put me in. That. Put me in, coach.
Quick. Just what's it called?
Exclusive.
Exclusive car plug. You guys go follow him. Turbo gotta go bye so I can get a V8 6.2 built for boost. Go big or go home, right? I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick. Ah! I came to scare you, I did that. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna be giving away the turbo, right? And I want you guys to like have a better understanding of how to like, you know, put it on and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna break in when I get my motor, the new motor in there and the truck's ready to run and stuff like that. I was debating if I should like put it back on just to be on the safe side. I still want, you know, when you get addicted to the boost life, it's kind of hard not to put something on there, you know, especially when you have the upper bandit. It's not gonna happen right away. I'm still gonna be giving it away, the turbo, but I am going to like break in the new motor. I should have done it with the old one, but I didn't. So this one I'm gonna break it in, put like the new oil in there, and then the next oil change, like maybe 2 oil changes, but I'm gonna be driving it a lot. I'm gonna be going to Galveston trips and stuff like that. So oh crap, I missed my exit. I'm gonna break in that motor before I turbo it. I mean before I put the turbo back on there. Ooh. Come on. Wide turn. Use it for like a little bit, and then as soon as the giveaway is like over, only 250 tickets. The only way to enter it, I'm still playing it out, but the way that you're gonna enter it is you're gonna follow a different Instagram account. That's gonna be my other Instagram account. Ooh. Dirt bike. The only way to enter the giveaway for the turbo is that you have to buy a sticker. It gives you an entry to the turbo. I need to buy some things first, so it's not gonna happen right away for the turbo. So I am here, right? I want to go talk to him. Like, I love my dirt bike, but I want to see if I could exchange it for a street bike, because I really want one, but I do love my dirt bike. It's kind of a hard decision right now. I do need like a daily, and I always pictured of having a street bike for a daily. Like when it rains, I'll just take out the truck, because as soon as I put that 6.2 on there, it's gonna be expensive. Yes, it's gonna be stupid expensive. What's up, man?
What's up? How are you?
Hey, I have a question for you.
What's up? One on it.
Fine, okay, I'll just, you know, bottom line. Is it a possibility? I'm not gonna do it, but I just want to know. Could I trade in my dirt bike for a street bike?
Yeah.
How would that be possible if I ever came across that?
Bring me the bike, we'll do an inspection on it. Suppose we'll see the bike, and based on conditions of the bike, we'll give you a value.
Okay.
We'll see how much it works out two ways. If you owe the bike outright and you have the title, we'll just tell you, hey, this much, okay, and then that value will be applied towards the
Okay,
bike.
so I have to like pay off their bike first.
No.
Oh, okay,
That's in
okay.
the case you have the title, and if you don't have the title but you still owe to the bank,
Yeah.
we'll see how much we're giving you against how much you
Okay.
owe, and the difference will be
Okay, because I only done my first oil change, and I'm
Okay.
getting close to my second oil change, so it's still in good condition and stuff like that. So.
bring the bike.
But how much would it be for an inspection of one day? Like, want to just bring it in? Just
Nothing.
nothing.
Just bring it.
Just bring it in. You guys check if.
Just bring it. We'll check.
Okay, okay.
What's up, babe?
Dang, it was busy. Oh yeah, how's the injury?
Good. I've been wedding planning, man. I got my wedding in like 30 days.
Oh damn.
Been doing all right, man?
Yeah, man. I mean, you know, I still have the days where I have to motivate myself somehow to get up in bed and continue it, even though I got bad things going on.
Right.
But you know, I always got to figure out how to make it more positive. But
Your head up.
I was thinking of getting a street bike, bro.
Yes, sir. That's what I've got a street and a dirt bike now. As you saw, I roll up on my street bike that one.
Yeah, man. I just hard, like people always say, don't buy a street bike, you'll die. But you know, if the people want this, that means that they have a passion for it.
Exactly. Kind of like my situation. My father was paralyzed from a street bike. He's paraplegic now, can't walk from the waist up. And it didn't stop me from buying a bike. It's my passion. It's what I love to do. So I'm going to follow my passion.
Yeah, it's just all you have to try to like be safe out there in the road and just try to do what's possible and still enjoy it.
You may be the best rider in the world, but it's the other people you need to look out for.
And whoever tries to buy a street bike in the future, just understand what you're getting yourself into. If you agree with the terms, go ahead and do what you love.
Right.
I really want a street bike, bro. Street
Oh,
bike.
you can't give up dirt, baby.
I know I can. That jump and the drill it in. Maybe in the future I'm gonna buy one, but probably be used or something. I don't know.
That's what I ended up doing. I waited for the right bike to come in and I got it then.
Damn. You gotta be kidding me.